Hello and welcome to my video cooking roast beef in a air fryer. And so I've bought some beef from Tesco's, and over the top of it I've put some light oil. I've also added oregano, salt, pepper and some cumin to coat the outside of the beef, which hopefully will make it nice and tasty. So I've put it in the air fryer. The air fryer is preheated at 200 degrees and I've now put it down to 180. I'm just going to put it on for 30 minutes this time, just so to see what it comes out like. And this is my first attempt cooking beef in an air fryer, and you can see the outside looks really good. So I'm quite hopeful it will be cooked inside. Unfortunately, no, it's came out quite rare. It rested for about 20 minutes, but it is very rare. Some people might like that. It wouldn't be for me. So I've put it back in for another 20 minutes and let it rest for 10. And this is what it's came out like. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.